Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Romani and I've been locked for 3.5 years. I know that recently every video that I make is in front of a different background, but you know I'm traveling and I can't find the specific spot that I want to film in right now, so I'm trying everything out. Nonetheless, we are talking about why I don't go to locticians, why I just choose to do my hair myself. It doesn't matter where I go, somebody's always going to ask me who does my hair, and I'm always like, I do my hair. And they're always so surprised because, girl, I be really doing my hair. I do all of the styles. I have went to locticians. Well, I went to one loctician, well, one business, because I believe 2 different people did my hair each time. But I went to a loctician business twice, and that was all I needed to see. After going to those locticians, I realized I just want to do my hair myself. And this is no shade to those locticians, because if you follow me on Instagram, then you know who I'm talking about. It's a very popular loctician business, and I really feel like they do amazing work. It's just they don't need to do it on my hair anymore. Like, they don't need to do it on my locks. But if you don't know how to do your hair, then I feel like they would be a good business to go to, but it's just not for me. Since I started my lock journey, I've been doing my hair myself, but I was following this very popular loctician business on Instagram, and they were coming to my town, so I decided to go get my hair done. And the first time it was fine, and even the second time it was fine, but I started to notice that there was a change in consistency in my lock. I have very thick locks. I'm not sure if you can see it because my hair is twisted, but I have very thick hair. And when I twist my hair, when I retwist my hair, I do the palm roll method. When they retwisted my hair, they did the comb retwist method. And the comb retwist, it just makes your lock tighter than when you would palm roll it. So it was a great experience going to them, but when I would take my style down, I would notice my new growth would be thick. Where they would do the comb retwist, it would be thin. Like, it would be so thin. I should have taken a photo. And then the bottom of my lock would be thick again. So it was like thick, thin, thick. And that is how you start losing locks, because your locks begin to thin out. And I'm sure if I was able to consistently go to them, then the consistency of my lock would change. So it may be a smaller lock if I kept getting the comb retwist, but they don't live in my state and I'm constantly traveling. Like I said, I only went to them twice, and it wasn't back to back. It was in the span of 2 years. So if I was able to go to them, I'm sure it would be fine. But since they're doing my hair and then I'm doing my hair and they're doing it, it's just not consistent enough for my lock, and I was afraid of thinning. So that is why I do not go to locticians anymore. Now, I'm not telling you not to go to a loctician, but if you're going to go to a loctician, you want to be consistent, because the way that they do your hair and the way that you do your hair is going to be different, and it's going to result in a different consistency when it comes to your lock. And if you are going to go to a loctician, make sure you're going to the same loctician. So what I'm basically saying is, make sure the person that does your hair is always the person that does your hair, whether it's you or whether it's someone else. So I'm just going to be the one doing my hair from now on, because I know how I want it to be done, and I know that I can consistently maintain the way that I am retwisting my hair. And if you are interested in learning how to retwist your own hair, I have an entire playlist of my lock journey. I started recording my lock journey on day 5, so I have 3 years worth of videos where I'm showing you tutorials and I'm giving you tips. So if you've just started your lock journey, or you've been on your lock journey but you need some help, I'm going to link that playlist down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, if you've gotten to the end of this video, make sure you leave me a brown heart in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and I will see you in my next video.